Hi friends, I had an epiphany in between getting bushwhacked and enlisted or War Thunder. The main reason for this is the P1 port, which of course gives the power to the device and is simple to implement. And the optical port is of course also simple to implement, both in code and circuit-wise. So we are changing our minds. I'm sorry for that. But either ways, we are still going to talk about the IR port communication in this video. Okay. Let's take a look at the definitions for the IR communication system. On condition is a binary zero, which means it's a reversed logic. Transmission speeds, yeah, got 300 as initial baud rate, otherwise it's fairly standard. Character format, standard. Character code, standard. Character security, standard. And the message definitions which this system uses is basically, standard. Nothing special about it. What is special though is that if one needs to develop further on such systems like this, you are forced to buy an IEC standard document, which is about 600 Swiss francs, about the same in US dollars. Yes, you are correct. To be able to do this, it costs a little bit of money. I cannot give you all the information through this video. And I cannot distribute the standard IEC document, unfortunately. Write in the comments if you still want to have this project finished. Otherwise, I will start on the optical port and P1 port. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye!